Good morning, students. Due to COVID-19, we know that whole country is locked down and classes are not going on. So today, I have prepared my first video lesson plan for class 8th, crop production and management. Now, in my crop production and management, this is very important chapter. We know that, and why this is important, because all we need food. And why food is important for us, we must all know about this, because all the living organisms require food to get energy. Why energy? Because due to this energy, every living organism can survive and to perform various body functions like digestion, like respiration, like excretion, and to perform various kinds of work in the daily life. Because if I want to lift this plank, wood plank, then without energy I cannot pick up. Yes? So this energy we will get from food. Also, we know that all the food we can get either from the plants or animals, as well as for both plants as well as animals. But this chapter name is crop production and management, so we will only talk about the food we will get from plants. Now, in the kind of plants, we must know about the types of crops, as well as we must know about what is crop. Have you listened this word crop? C-R-O-P. Crop means फसल. फसल की जब हम बात करते हैं तो हम बात करते हैं सेम काइंड्स ऑफ सीडलिंग्स, प्लांट्स, स्मॉल प्लांट्स. सीडलिंग्स मीन्स स्मॉल प्लांट्स. Those small plants we will get from seeds. So we can define crop in the sense plants of the same kinds are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crop. I can show you the photographs of crop. Just see here. This is a crop of wheat. Why this is crop of wheat? Because you are seeing so many small plants, and all plants are of only wheat. So same kind of plants are grown. Here in the photograph, only the wheat plants are grown, isn't it? So this is called crop. Another picture I will show you. Here all the plants are of pomegranate, anar. So the same kinds of plants are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale. You are seeing here a agriculture farm where all the pomegranate plants are there, as well as here potato plants are there, tomato plants are there, then cabbage plants are there. This is a kind of agricultural field where we will grow the crop. Are you seeing? I think so. Please zoom it. So now I think so you can understand about the crop. I am here taking the important words regarding this chapter. Number 1, cultivation. Cultivation means in Hindi खेती करना. Number 2, crop. Crop means फसल. Number 3 word I am taking sowing, SOWING, sowing the seeds, seeds बीज, जिसकी भी फसल हमें पैदा करनी है, जिसकी भी क्रॉप हमें पैदा करनी है, उसके सीड्स हम सो करेंगे. देन weeds, weeds in Hindi we can say this is called the खरपतवार, the unwanted plants grown by themselves. हम उनको नहीं उगाते, वो अपने आप उगाते हैं क्रॉप के साथ, उनको हम कहते हैं वीड्स. इनको भी हटाना पड़ता है. देन मैन्योर, मैन्योर all of you know in 7th class you have studied, as well as the agriculture, fertilizer. Is that clear? All the meanings. Cultivation, खेती करना, क्रॉप, फसल जिसे हमें उगाना है, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन है. देन सोइंग, जिससे हम फसल उगाएंगे, हमें बीज डालना पड़ेगा, सो करना पड़ेगा. एज वेल एज वीड्स, जो अनवांटेड प्लांट्स पैदा हो जाते हैं खेत में, जिनको हमें हटाना पड़ता है, अदरवाइज हमारी फसल जो है उसी के साथ पैदा होती है, तो वो मैक्सिमम न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले जाते हैं हमारे फसल से. मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर, जो हमारी क्रॉप को ग्रो करते हैं अच्छी तरीके से, जिससे हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल सके. In this chapter again we must talk about the crop first. So now we must know about the types of crops. There are several kinds of crops like cereals, vegetables, fruits, etc. Pulses also. Now all of you studied the geography also, that India is a versatile country in which we have 3 kinds of seasons major: summer, winter and rainy season. So according to all these seasons, our crops are broadly classified into 2 conditions. Number 1, kharif crops, and number 2, rabi crops.